If he did it, would I be in trouble? Or would he be stupid?
I don't know. We both of you would be stupid.
Well,
You're
if
dumb
I-
for suggesting it.
I
To
think
someone
half-
like Zach, who would just, would do anything.
Oh, you get a free pair of wireless Bluetooth headphones.
Wait, actually?
J
We're
Labs?
just showing up.
J-Labs?
Just
Can I-
I'm gonna say it's J-Labs, okay?
I was gonna say it's
Are we recording right now?
Yeah, I did this like totally wrong. 1 second.
All you're gonna hear is this windbreaker rustling around.
You can enjoy this.
Do you remember the good old days of that happening? When the mics were just
Oh my
bumping your
god,
jacket?
yes. Like, I remember we
I
finally
hated
had
that
to tell
popping
you.
noise.
We finally had to tell you, bro, take off your jacket when we record.
Wait, was the windbreaker that made the noise? That was
There
just
was,
our mics were
it
shit.
was both. Like, there was at one point where, like, you were wearing one of your it was the really thick one
Oh,
you had,
yeah.
and it was just like, whoosh.
These beautiful graphics cards. Go wait in line at a Micro Center. That's probably your best chance.
No, it's not. You want me to talk about the...
Yeah.
So what is it? If you just go in person?
It was like, yeah, you show them in person.
Okay.
You can get some free wireless earbuds.
And you want to know the best part about Micro Centers? They always have really cool promos going on. So if you actually show up to a store in person, you can get some wireless headphones. There's earbuds.
Earbuds.
No,
They're earbuds.
that's different.
That's
Okay.
different.
You've
Is
been
that a
having
thing
like
now?
a slap
Is that our
thing,
thing?
yeah. I've
It's become a thing. We just slap stuff now.
You know what you need to do in the next video, or when we're editing, McAllister? You need to zoom in on the PC and put a moaning face over it.
Oh yeah, like have you ever seen those TikToks where like it's just someone like using a whip and then the floor goes.
Yeah. You need to do that.
if you want to record yourself doing the face and like the moan, I will add that in. I'll cut
All
out
you need
your
is like
eyes.
his lips and his eyes. And
Yeah,
10 seconds to
I'll
cut
do
it out.
that if you want.
All right, filming. 3, 2, 1. You really just need an i6 motherboard and you're good to go.
Can you all shut the fuck up?
Stop.
You're just touching my toes.
I was in here like this, stroking his foot.
I thought I'd make him laugh loud enough.
Say hi, chat.
You know what? Real quick, while I need to
Chat,
talk
smile
about-
for the
The
camera.
other day, I was talking to a legit customer at PC Bros. They're in the background, like air humping and doing like
No, we were
Fortnite
flossing.
dances.
We were doing
I don't
Fortnite
care.
dances.
Floss looks like you're air humping.
Yeah, let me show you what I was doing. Hold
do
on.
it. Do it. Go ahead.
This is what he was doing.
I was standing there. McAllister was like,
Like the Pennywise dance. like the air humping. That's not the floss.
We were doing this when I was trying to talk to customers so we could get them to break.
And the worst part was they wouldn't stop. I'm like, okay, they're gonna do it once and then they'll stop. No, they did it like 5 more times.
5 more times.
Like I had to go in there and talk to them like little children.
Alright, quiet on set. And I get to talk about this.
I hate seeing myself on camera. You'll do it all the
Why?
time. I don't.
You're so pretty.
This video is just a whole meme now.
I got some spittle on the lens.
some cummies.
Now, as Jackson mentioned, we're going to be using a small form factor case. This
From the NDI source, so mute that.
But who's gonna be my
Mute
pod
this?
champ?
Mute.
Matt will be your pod champ.
Your little
Video
hog
capture
daddy.
device.
Mute the top one, NDI source.
There you go. That's still always use this microphone, but you have this now.
Where's that little tripod at?
Isn't that what they call you?
Little
tripod.
They call me little tripod.
Oh. Are you talking about Fiesta tacos? My favorite tacos?
It'll fit. I just don't think we can put
Will
the
it?
fans up front. Oh God.
Oh wow. So it's gonna be real tight.
Just like
Guys, we got a tight boy going in
Yeah,
here.
it'll fit. We just can't put the fans up front.
Should I bring this to show them?
Really?
Yeah, there's no way.
Could they go in your
How
shirt?
about
We
you turn
can't
the
make
PC?
them go on the other side, maybe.
I'll make sure, but I don't think
What'd you
so.
say?
They can turn the PC a little bit.
Yell at him. Tell him to read the doc.
Yeah, chat.
Is the
I want
RGB off now,
everyone
Matt?
here to be little mini mods. You're not going to be moderated, but be a mini mod.
Is the RGB off now?
I give you permission to tell
Yes.
people to read the giveaway doc.
Why'd you break it?
I wanted it to be off. Okay, yeah, this is not the same.
So you're gonna have to use that thing.
Right
Don't even bother.
Don't even bother. There you go. Looks flame.
now. Looks fuego.
How's this 12-hour stream? We play a lot of games.
Yes.
It's mainly.
This is
games.
probably one of the longer PC builds we've done because we had some troubleshooting.
So
Yeah, the next however many hours is going to be us playing games, eating food, playing basketball, doing other random things, you know?
basically not
silly.
not building.
Just boys being goofy, honestly.